Is Xavi a good manager to manage Barcelona? Is Lewandowski finished? Can both Joao be able to make Barcelona come back from their current situation? So hey guys and welcome back to another video. So in this video I will talk about and answer some questions like these on Barcelona and also a very happy new year to all of you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's talk about their current manager, Xavi. To be honest, he is a very good manager and also his managing tactics have a very good potential. But still, many of you will think then why his tactics is not working if I am saying that he has a good potential as a manager. So keeping it clearly, do you think Xavi is getting everything he needs in his squad? No. He is just adjusting himself with the current situation with his squad. The player he needs, the transfer money he needs, the freedom he needs, he is not getting sufficient of these things to make his tactics work. Yes, obviously, they made some transfers like Gundogan, Cancelo, Felix, but do you think it's enough? Not at all. He needs many more changes to make his tactic work, like getting some new midfielders. I know they have De Jong and Frankie Yamal, Gundogan, but they still need midfielders in replacement for Gavi and Pedri. Because both of these are very good defensively as well as offensively. But Xavi is not able to make any moves and hence he is suffering from his current situation as the manager. Next, about Lewandowski. To be honest, this player, Lewandowski, don't get me wrong, but he is finished. Let me explain myself before you get to any conclusion on my statement. If you've seen his playstyle in recent games, he is not even able to make more than 2 or 3 shots in a single game. How is that even possible when you are the only striker in the whole squad and the whole team is mainly dependent on your finishing? Lewandowski is not even able to make the right plays. Yes, of course, the quality he has always makes him shine in every game. But do you think if a striker is not able to finish, not able to make a good run, then what's the point of keeping that striker? Lewandowski is the player who right now needs to be replaced the most. His playstyle is never going to help Xavi and Barcelona in his current situation of playing. See, I'm not totally blaming him, but the role he needs to fulfill in his play, he is not fulfilling it. That's the reason I'm saying all of this for him. Sorry if anyone is a fan of Lewandowski and if he doesn't like this statement of mine, but this is the truth of him. And Xavi needs to replace him very soon. Next, about Cancelo and Felix. To be honest, they both are key players for Barcelona. The way they are playing, the way they are making opportunities, it is truly outstanding. They are the best signing for Barcelona this season. For me, they both are really the future for Barcelona. And as for my opinion on whom to sign in both of these, I think they both deserve to stay in Barcelona. Cause their chemistry will help a lot to Barcelona and both of these are very much capable of being Barcelona's key players. Next, will Barcelona this season be able to win La Liga? To be honest, no, they are not going to win La Liga this season because they don't have the quality right now. To win La Liga, what Real Madrid and Girona are having right now, and yes, I hope they do well at least in Champions League, as I want to see the Barcelona in their main form and also I want to relive when every team was feared from the name of this team. I still believe Barcelona is not out of form. They just need to make some intelligent decisions to move from this phase. And I hope this year will be very good for Barcelona. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.